Hello everyone, this is Saurabh and today I am showing you my next question of the CKA question set series which recently came in CKA examination 2025 after the pattern change for CKA examination. So before starting my next question, please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed earlier, and you can have a look all the questions which have previously been posted in my channel. Now I will look to the next question, that is question number 7. So the question number 7 is that reconfigure the existing deployment front end in namespace sp-collator to expose port 80 and TCP of the existing container Nginx. Create a new service named front end service exposing the container port 80 and TCP. Configure the new service to also expose the individual ports via node port. So in the examination, you have to reconfigure the existing deployment. So deployment is already exist. It will be given. You have to reconfigure to expose the port 80. But in live environment, you have to create a deployment, and after that, you have to do the practice. So for your convenience, I have already created a deployment using the YAML file. This. So I have given the name of the deployment front end, namespace exploiter, and the container is Nginx. So for live environment, if you want to do the practice, you can copy the deployment from this page. Just go and search deployment. And you can see that there is an example is showing. So you can prepare the live environment using this YAML. And here, so see the question. Deployment is already there. You have to expose the port 80. So here you can see that this is the requirement you have to implement ports container port 80. So go to this and just first check the deployment. NS. So you can see that namespace is already there. One end. You can see the deployment is already there. So just edit the deployment. Edit deployment name. So here you can give the -n and then content. So now this is the deployment which will be already given. Just go to the container and after the name, just paste here and also give the protocol. This TCP, because in examination it is given expose port 80 TCP. Just save and exit. Now you can see that deployment is existed. You can see the deployment is running. It is up to date. You can see that it has been successfully rolled out. If you want to check, you can also check the history. Now move to the next part of the question. Create a new service named frontend exposing the container port 80 and TCP. So just expose it. So this is okay. Expose deployment front-end -n data, then -apple move equal to 80. Configure the new service to also expose the individual ports via node port. So -type equal to node port. Now before running, just check. Create a new service name frontend hyphen. So you have to give the name name equal to frontend c. Exposing the container port 80, you have already exposed. Configure the new service to also expose the individual ports via node ports. You have given the type node port. And just now you can see the service is created. Get service. You can see that service is already created. So this is very simple question. You don't have to waste too much time on this question in examination, because there will be question which will take more time, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, maybe, if you have not practiced well. So this is, you should not take more than 2 or 3 minutes on this question. So please subscribe my channel and keep updated with the latest and upcoming videos based on the CKA examination and also other Kubernetes topics. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much.